Sweat, sunscreen, wind, humidity, UV rays, super hard water, salty water. Summer really puts curly hair through it. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you embrace the hair that you are fearfully and wonderfully made with. I, for the longest time, didn't know that I had, in fact, actually, wavy curly hair. I just thought I had bad, frizzy, straight hair. Turns out that is not true. My hair was not broken. My hair was not ugly. It was not bad hair. It just needed to be treated and nourished and nurtured and loved on in a very specific way. And ever since figuring out how to properly care for my waves and curls, I finally don't feel so insecure about how I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And I want that for you too. So today we are doing something really fun. I am showing you my 6-step summer curl armor wash day routine. Think date night, on vacation, in high humidity. You need your curls to look incredible, but you're on vacation and curls never behave well on vacation. I got you. This summer curl armor routine is chef's kiss. This is what you need. Think date night, vacation, 100% humidity. We're not playing today. This routine is bulletproof. Now, this isn't just about which brand you use, it's the type of product you're using and how you're layering them. I'm using Curlsmith today because I've tested out over 400 curly hair products, and I really trust and love this brand, which is one reason I am terribly honored that Curlsmith is sponsoring today's video. Getting to work with brands that I love and trust and have loved and trusted for years feels really special to me, and it allows me to continue showing up here on the internet for you guys. My whole goal is to be as helpful as humanly possible to you and your curl journey, so being able to continue to show up here is an honor. I'm really grateful I get to continue showing up here on the internet, and it is in part thanks to you guys who show up and watch my videos and get benefit from them, but it's also in part thanks to brands who continue to choose to work with me and sponsor this channel. So I'm grateful to Curlsmith for sponsoring today's video. As I said a second ago, it is not about the brand that you use, but it's more about the product categories. Did Curlsmith knock it out of the park with every single one of these product categories? Why, yes, they did. So that's why I am featuring them today, because these products really are that incredible. And I will have each of these products linked in the description down below with a discount code for you, if that is helpful to you. If you feel like trying out these products for yourself, description is right there. But without further ado, let me show you this full summer curl armor routine. Let's go. And I know, before you jump in the comments to tell me, yes, my hair is super greasy. I actually have a pre-shampoo oil treatment in my hair. I'm testing something out. So yes, your eyes did not deceive you. It was horrendously greasy. Let's fix that with the first step of the curl armor routine, which is to use a detox shampoo. I like the Curlsmith Curl Reset Detox Shampoo because it gently clarifies the scalp without leaving the hair feeling super stripped and dry. It's very effective at removing buildup. It has a chelating agent in it, which means it can remove heavy metals and some hard water buildup from the hair. Super gentle surfactants in it. It has peppermint oil, apple cider vinegar, and ginger root. Lots of really good nourishing ingredients for the hair. You can see that it foams and lathers pretty nicely. I made sure to part my hair and apply the shampoo directly to the center of my scalp. And now I'm pulling the lather through the lengths of my hair. I never scrub the ends of my hair because I don't want to rough up and damage that hair cuticle, so I just pull that lather through and my hair gets really nicely clean. Now I'm really scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers while I rinse so that no residue is left behind. Because I had that pre-shampoo oil treatment in my hair before I started washing, I will absolutely 100% be going in with a second cleanse. And you can see that the shampoo foams up and lathers a lot more on that second cleanse, which gives me a really good feeling. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate that I can detangle my hair with this shampoo in it? Wow, how does this shampoo have so much slip and doesn't make my hair feel all dry and tangly and snarly? That's pretty impressive. I love using a detox shampoo in the summer when we are dealing with tons of buildup from sunscreen and sweat. It's the perfect first step in the summer curl armor routine. Step number 2 is to use a lightweight conditioner with just a kiss of protein. Summer brings the heat, the UV, the extra stress on our strands. So I want some moisture and strength all in one step. I'm using the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner as my rinse out conditioner today because it checks all of those boxes for me. I'm only grabbing a smallish amount. I'm not trying to grab just a ton of this product. It looked like a lot when I was watching the footage back. I tried to grab a little. This is Courtney trying. Okay, you can see that I glazed it over and finger combed my hair. My hair was honestly pretty detangled because that shampoo, how did it do that to tangle my hair? I'm still wondering about that. Now I'm just taking a wet brush and finishing distributing that conditioner all through my hair before I rinse it out. Yes, I did skip Squish to Condish today. I didn't feel like my hair needed it. It was feeling so nourished and hydrated. This is one reason I love the combo of the Detox Shampoo and the Multitasking Conditioner from Curlsmith. My hair loves it. It is a really good combo for me. Now I'm just removing the excess water from my hair before I go in with the Curlsmith Miracle Shield because step number 3 of the Curl Armor routine is Protectant. This step is essential. A protectant mist that guards against heat, UV, and even chlorine if I'm swimming is amazing. This is kind of a thinnish consistency. I was really trying to show you the texture there. I'm just glazing it over and smoothing it in, raking it through my hair with my fingers. Something I really love about this particular heat protectant is it can be used on wet hair, damp hair, or even dry hair to kind of refresh your hair while in between washes. Now I'm going to organize my curl clumps with a wide tooth comb. I've really been liking this lately. I don't know why. It's a little bit different than my usual routine, but you can see that I'm pushing the hair away from my face, which creates a lot of parts along my scalp that I can choose from when I flip my hair right side up. I also pulled the hair off the sides and back of my neck. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, really taking my time to gently align these curl families. Then I add a little brush styling section right here at my crown. I find that it adds even more root lift and volume right there, giving my hair a little bit of a scrunch to kind of check my curl clump size and the amount of water that's in my hair. I feel good about that. So I'm going in with step number 6, my gel, the Curlsmith In Shower Style Fixer, which is a really hard hold gel that keeps my curls locked in place even when it's humid and miserable outside. Guys, when I tell you that I hated this gel for the longest time, I am not joking. All of a sudden though, I love it. It is exactly what my hair needs, wants, and desires. It's meant to give the curls extreme definition that is long lasting and weather resistant. Honestly, I don't think I was using this product correctly in the past. I always tried to put some super heavy conditioning product underneath because most super hard hold gels kind of need something really moisturizing underneath. This, on the other hand, has avocado, apricot kernel, and sunflower seed oil added in it, which makes it kind of nourishing and hydrating feeling. You can see that I just glazed it over and scrunched it into every single curl family before I go in with step number 6, the Invincible Volume Mousse. I love adding a mousse on top of gel. I feel like it gives my hair much more volume and makes each individual curl look really full and luscious. I love the lightweight whipped feeling of this product. It's very moisturizing and has an absolutely delicious fragrance. I cannot get enough of how this smells. I just glaze it over and scrunch it in. And one of the ingredients that's in this mousse that's not in a lot of mousses is linseed extract, which is a derivative of flax seeds, which my hair tends to really love. It's full of fatty acids and antioxidants and makes my hair incredibly shiny. And another thing you may notice is that I'm really turning my head from side to side and scrunching my hair all the way to the root. This really helps make sure that I have even definition throughout my hair, like each curl has the best potential to be curly. Okay, now that my hair is fully scrunched and styled, it's time to plop my hair. I plop for about 10 minutes or so, and now it's time for step 6, curly hair friendly hairspray. If you've been on the hunt for a hairspray that is curly hair friendly, meaning alcohol free, this is the one. This never makes my hair feel stiff or sticky or crunchy, but it adds an incredible level of hold to my hair, which really helps my wash days last in this summer heat. Now I'm just taking the damp part of my towel and giving my hair one more scrunch, really scrunching my hair all the way to the root. Can we see a theme here? I really want to make sure that I'm giving my hair the best chance at definition from root to tip, grabbing my hair, lifting it off of my scalp, and scrunching and pulsing. Now it's time to diffuse. And can we just appreciate this
ginormous diffuser. Thank you, Curlsmith. Okay, let's dry this hair.
And now that my hair is 100% dry after diffusing it to 90% dry and letting it finish air dry the rest of the way, it is time to fluff out these curls and reveal the final wash day result. Now, while the in-shower style fixer does give me a really rocking cast when I use it all on its own, today, because I layered it with other products, there's not a super hard, crispy, crunchy cast. But that doesn't mean that I can't fluff these curls and make them look even better. So let me do that now that the hair is 100% dry. Oh my gosh, this is looking so pretty. I went back and forth on this wash day while I was doing it. I was thinking it was gonna look incredible, and then I kind of panicked thinking it was gonna look a little stringy. Now I'm back to thinking it's gonna look really good. And here are the final wash day results. Right? Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Now, because the whole point of this wash day is that these curls are bulletproof, let me show you what the curls looked like at the end of the night after many hours of my wild and crazy mom life, running around outside, chasing kiddos, going to splash pads, having all kinds of fun outdoors in the summer, Texas humidity. This is what the curls were looking like. Not too bad, not too shabby.
Also, just want to take a quick moment to point out that there's almost zero frizz, and I was super impressed about it.
And here are what the curls were looking like on the morning of day 2 with absolutely zero refresh. I know this wash day is one where we do a few extra steps. This isn't a 3-product wash day. We're doing a little bit more, but you can see that the little bit of extra effort on wash day really paid off in wash day longevity. This combo absolutely does give me what I like to call curl armor: volume, definition, hold, softness, and protection. Oh, yes. Yes, please, and thank you. So if you've got a wild summer ahead of you or just want curls that last, this particular layering method is key. You don't need to use these exact same products, but you do need to use a product in each of these categories. That's what makes this curl armor magic happen. I personally like reaching for all Curlsmith products for this particular routine because I trust the ingredients and the results. But use whatever works for you. If you are interested in checking out these products for yourself, I will have it linked down below. But more importantly, I want you to try and build your own personal curl armor routine. It makes all the difference for your summer curls. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!